Hello and welcome. I'm Caro from CaroMaths, and in this video I'm going to show you how to expand a plus b all squared and an easy way to remember it. At the end, I'll also demonstrate it by showing you an example. I think it's important that you always understand how things are derived, and this is no exception. So you might think that a plus b squared is just a squared plus b squared. But this is not the case, because there's something missing here. So let's have a look. Here we have this green square with sides a, and therefore area of a squared. Here we have a smaller orange square with sides b, and therefore area of b squared. But we want to expand a plus b all squared. So let's see how we can use these two squares to build a larger square with sides a plus b, and therefore area a plus b all squared. So here we have our larger green square with sides a, and here we have our smaller orange square with sides b. And now we can draw two rectangles with sides a and b to arrive at our final square with sides a plus b, and therefore area a plus b all squared. Now let's look at the areas of the individual squares and rectangles. As we've already seen, the area of the green square with sides a is a squared, and the area of the orange square with sides b is b squared. Finally, each of the two blue rectangles with sides a and b is area a times b. So as you can see, a plus b all squared expands to a squared plus b squared, which is the area of the green and orange squares. And then we have our blue rectangles, and we have two of them, so it's 2ab. And now I'm going to demonstrate this by using an example of something that you might be asked to expand. The example I've chosen is y plus 4 all squared. So let's have a look at our big square. As you can see, the big square with sides y plus 4 consists of our green square with sides y, our orange square with sides 4, and our two blue rectangles with sides y and 4. So now let's have a look at the areas of each of the squares and rectangles. The area of our green square with sides y is y squared, and the area of our orange square with sides 4 is 4 squared. And the area of each of our blue rectangles with sides y and 4 is 4y. So now you can see that y plus 4 all squared expands to y squared plus 4 squared, which is the area of our green and orange squares, plus 4y times 2, because we've got two blue rectangles. And we can simplify that slightly to get y squared plus 8y plus 16. So now you understand where it stems from and the reasoning behind it, and I've shown you an example as well. You hopefully always remember it, but if not, you can just quickly derive it yourself. Just remember to put the two squares at opposite corners of the large square. Also, if it helps your understanding to demonstrate that this really works, you could just plug in a random number for y here in this equation, just to connect abstract with reality. And that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please like and subscribe and tell your friends. Also, if you've got any questions about what I've done in this video, or any suggestions for future videos, then please let me know in the comments below. See you soon. Bye bye.